Hello and welcome back to another A691 Specialist Cars video. My name is Harvey and today I am delighted to present to you our 2019 Kia Sportage GT-Line all-wheel drive. And I think we can all agree it's a cracking looking SUV. It comes in a gorgeous grey metallic with the upgraded 19-inch diamond cut alloys. It's also equipped with the 1.6 litre diesel engine, which is renowned for its efficiency, but it still is pokey when you want it to be, and that's all combined with your all-wheel drive system. And the specification of this car is fantastic. You've got reversing cameras, sat nav, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated seats, and much more. But you'll have to watch the end of this video to find out what this car is capable of. So, without any further ado, let me show you. And yes, the Kia Sportage is available as of today. So what are you doing? Pick up that phone and leave a deposit today. Because cars like these, they don't hang around too long, especially at this price. But once again, my name is Harvey, and I'd like to thank you for watching another A691 Specialist Cars video.